Quad hello and welcome to Tech 24. Today, we're excited to introduce the Remoxit Expandable Prefabricated Home Mobile, the ultimate living solution for those seeking efficiency and versatility. Whether you're in need of a hotel, office, guardhouse, shop, villa, warehouse, or workshop, this prefab house has got you covered. With dimensions of 20 ft 40 ft, the Remoxit Expandable Prefabricated Home provides a vast 36.6 m3 living space, allowing you to embrace a haven for your passions from gardening tools to bikes. Crafted with galvanized steel for a lifespan of 30-40 years and weather-resistant panels, this prefab house offers lasting durability and protection for your valuables in any condition. But that's not all. The Remoxit Expandable Prefabricated Home also features steel aluminum doors, PVC aluminum windows, and layouts that resonate with your dreams, from cozy bedrooms to sleek kitchens, ensuring lasting elegance with minimal effort. What's more, with seamless electrical setup, optional accessories, and a swift 2-hour installation, courtesy of the modular design, your living space can be transformed effortlessly. And with fireproof construction, resistance to wind and seismic activity, and simple foundation requirements, safety is redefined with this prefab house. So, why wait any longer? Unlock limitless possibilities, elevate your space, and invest in your sanctuary today with the Remoxit Expandable Prefabricated Home Mobile. Click the link in the description to make this efficient and versatile living solution yours now. Quat.